Company was founded in 2001, and we were three engineers wanted to build our own company. That was the base and the root of the company. 2004 was the first step in military and radar application. 2006 was first aeronautical project, and 2008 was our first foot in the new space domain, I would say.
8 years ago, I decided to create Anywaves to become an antenna manufacturer for the new space, particularly. On that time, we were pre-incubated by ESA because our project was really relevant for what was happening in space. And that was the first time I met Cédric because he was part of the experts that were challenging all the projects pre-incubated by ESA. And so since that time, we started to develop the company, the first product, to sell it, production, enlarge our antenna portfolio. And step by step, because as a supplier, people were asking us to do more and more and more. And we started to work together, combining what we mastered in terms of radio frequencies and antennas, and combining that technology with the electronic that were done at EmTroniX. And this is how we started to know each other. We started to make and bring solutions to the new space market together. And now, given that perspective, we are going to do even more together.
I would say finally it was natural, because we are complementary. So antennas and transceiver, they are already, and they were already much together and merged. So when we discussed that, I cannot remember exactly when it came. Finally, it's something like 1 year. I would say
something
that
like that.
we start speaking really about that. Since the beginning, we were speaking about collaboration. We were collaborating together, and we were truly, I would say, making confidence in both companies regarding what Nicolas is doing and what EmTroniX is doing. And it's thanks to that collaboration that we were able to fulfill several projects that we did together. And then I would say naturally, when this idea came, I would say yes, that's the way to go. That's the way to make these two companies blossom and make complete solution for customer. Regarding EmTroniX also, EmTroniX is a company, we were an engineering company. They were already a product company. So today, EmTroniX benefits from all the knowledge of Anywaves to become a product maker, while Anywaves was doing product and maybe less project, and here we were also doing a lot of project. So finally, it's a very good win-to-win situation. Obstacles was to make our employee understand that it's a merge, that we will become a single company that will act all together. For me, that was the main concern and maybe the main point to cover and to really explain all of them, that now it will allow us to become bigger, to become more powerful, to become more smart, to become basically all benefits without drawbacks.
Definitely the main challenge was that Anywaves, young company with product, new space product orientation, and EmTroniX with an extremely strong expertise in electronics, but a different contribution to the space domain, more based on big projects with ESA, etc. So how we can put our strengths together and help each other on our weakness. And this was the challenge, and also on our side, how we can enlarge our vision on what we are going to make as a supplier in the space ecosystem, in the space industry, and reinvent ourselves, our roadmap, enlarge our vision in order to address the space market. Definitely, I think, especially for our customers, we are going to be capable to better anticipate what are going the next generation of products they need for their mission. So we are going to be stronger, we are going to be faster, and we are going to intensively work on how competitive from an industrial point of view we are, having a strong supplier, being a strong supplier, European supplier in Europe.
And today we are capable to deliver complete solutions from end to end, from the antenna to the data that arrives at the payload manager. So with that, antenna, software-defined radio, or anything that needs to be the transceiver, the processing, whatever it is, the embedded software-defined radio processing, digital signal processing, let's say, and then all the software for the communication that we can deliver all things to our customer.
Definitely for us, it's a big opportunity in terms of market penetration, because new space market is a global market, and especially now having an entity in US will allow us to ease our access to the American market, the US market, and also being capable to better anticipate what are going to be the next technologies we have to make available for our customer. It will also allow us to be more resilient to the different market fluctuation and what can happen in such or such event at international level. So definitely, and our goal with Cédric is to make our company, our group, a long-term industry, even a lot more above what we are going to do, and we are going to be stronger and more capable to adapt in the coming years.
Oh, so currently we are defining a technical roadmap that will generate a product roadmap. Now, depending the opportunities, depending the market, depending specific needs that could come, we will develop all our product lines, and it will be fully matched between antennas and the electronics. First, we will focus on telecommunication. That's the aim of what we are doing, but it can be extended. So we will see wherever we will go regarding the different products that we will do, regarding the different projects that we will do, and all this will bring us in 1, 2, 3, 5 years.
What we are going to do at short term is quite clear, addressing the space market with all the launcher capsule vehicles that are going through atmosphere, all the LEO space vehicles that there is, obviously constellation, but also the different tugs that can be there, and also starting to prepare what is going to happen in GEO and even beyond, like lunar, Mars exploration, all that kind of things. And based on what we have already done with our customer on TT&C, navigation, payload telemetry, we are going to propose the best solution they can have on the market in order to help them to succeed in their mission and do it as fast as possible, with a lot of competitiveness. So the road is pretty clear, and we also have our payload equipment development, and as an illustration, the altimeter in K-band we are going to develop also to help satellite constellation manufacturer and operators who wants to make business in radio frequency Earth observation, so to help them to accelerate and get the best technology they can have to succeed in their market, in their mission. So the road is clear. We have a lot of work to do because it's quite a lot. It will take definitely several years, but it's very exciting, and we are fully engaged to that road and to succeed together. So let's do that.